Welcome! Today I am with Huawei FreeBuds 4i and I will show you how you can connect these earbuds to your Android smartphone. In this case I'm using Xiaomi smartphone, and what we have to do at first, open Play Store and we have to download Huawei AI Live application. So let's open this application, and what we have to do, tap on the switcher just like that, and as you can see we have to open case of our Huawei FreeBuds 4i. And right now it's making scan, but as you can see there's no device found. When you click here to add manually and type FreeBuds, we can only find FreeBuds FreeEye, FreeGo Speaker, FreeLace Pro or FreeBuds 3. So unfortunately, when you get Huawei AI Live application from Android phone, I mean from the Play Store, you cannot connect them. So you have to just uninstall this application, and then you have to go for the browser, tap on search bar and type Huawei AI Live app, download. So we have to enter for the official Huawei website. Let's choose here Huawei AI Live, Huawei Global, Huawei Consumer. We have to go for the official Huawei website. And then we have to tap to install now. And we have to choose install from browser. Honestly, I don't know why there's in the Spanish, but never mind. Choose option to install from browser as the second option. Here we can get from the app gallery, but we have here the Xiaomi smartphone, so we cannot find here the app gallery. We have to go for the browser. So tap right here and click OK. Let's check details. We have to click settings, app, activate install for apps from unknown source. Then just wait. Tap on the switcher. You don't have to be afraid because this file comes from official Huawei website, so don't worry about anything. Then just go back and click install. Accept permissions. And right now we can simply open this application. We have to choose our region, so I'm currently in Poland. Click continue, next, agree, and accept location while using the application. And right now just open case of your Huawei FreeBuds 4i, and let's tap on the plus to add device. Click to add manually, and then as you can see we can finally find Huawei FreeBuds 4i. So click here. As you can see on the right edge we can find the power button. So let's click and hold that button for 2 seconds. As you can see, when this indicator is blinking, we can finally click here that we have completed these steps and click next. As you can see, our device is ready to pair. Click next. Now just wait, keep case opened and tap on the request pair and connect. Click pair. As you can see, right now we are finally connected. So when you enter here, you can adjust with noise control. You can check gestures, check updates, check battery level, and when you tap here, you can go for the device settings where you can find device information like serial number. So as you can see, that's how we can connect Huawei FreeBuds 4i to any Android smartphone. Just remember, go to the browser and download Huawei AI Live application from the browser, not from the Play Store, because as you can see in the Play Store we don't have the latest version of this app. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.